All of you welcome in Rayat Online School Education. I am myself Patil B.N. Karmavir Bhaurav Patil, Krushi Vidyalay and Junior College of Science, Devapur, Taluka Man, District Satara. Today we are going to discuss about new point, application of biotechnology. Application of biotechnology is used in many sectors such as health, agriculture, industry, environment, genomics, etc. So, out of this, first is the healthcare biotechnology. The healthcare biotechnology include some production of a human protein to treat some human diseases like anemia, to produce recombinant protein is erythropoietin. So another disease like asthma, the rDNA technology are useful for the production of the recombinant protein like interleukin first receptor. Next disease like atherosclerosis, the recombinant proteins are produced platelet derived growth factor. So next disease like parturition, recombinant protein is rexin. So next disease or disorder like blood clots, the recombinant protein production is tissue plasmogen activator and another is the urokinase. So like disease like cancer, the recombinant protein produce is the interferon, tumor necrosis factor, interleukins, macrophage activating factor. So like disease like diabetes, the recombinant protein is the insulin. Next disease like emphysema, the production recombinant protein is alpha antitrypsin. Disease like hemophilia A, the production of the recombinant protein is the factor 8. Hemophilia B, production of the recombinant protein is a factor 9. And last one is the hepatitis B, the production of the recombinant protein is the hepatitis B vaccine. So in a human insulin production, the insulin is a peptide hormone produced by beta cell of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. It was discovered by Sir Edward Schaffer in 1916. Insulin is essential for the control blood sugar level. Diabetes mellitus is a disease in which some people cannot make insulin themselves. Hakura et al. In 1977 chemically synthesized DNA sequence of insulin for two chain A and B and separately inserted into two PBR 322 plasmid vector. Insulin production by rDNA technology is designed by Gilbert in 1978. The gene are inserted by the side of beta galactosidase gene of the plasmid. The recombinant plasmid were then separately transformed into E. coli host. The host produce penicillinase and pre-proinsulin. Insulin in latter separated by trypsin treatment. So next one is the vaccine production. Now what is means by vaccine? The vaccine provide active acquired immunity against a certain diseases. Usually, a vaccine consists of a biological agent represent the disease causing microorganism. Vaccines have eliminated smallpox, polio disease, etc. Biotechnology have made advanced in vaccination by making recombinant vaccine that have the potential to eradicate non-communicable disease like cancer. Naked DNA vaccine, viral vector vaccine, and plant derived vaccine are found to be most effective against the number of bacteria and viral disorder. So, some is the oral vaccines, a novel approach. Immunogenic protein of certain pathogen is found to be active when administered orally. The gene corresponding to such a protein is isolated and a gene construct is produced. This is introduced and expressed in a plant genome, which result in production of such a immunogenic protein. These when feed into animal or human, the person becomes vaccinated against the certain pathogen. For example, production of flu vaccine by bacillus which melt in the mouth. So these are the most important production and easily treat to the human beings. So next biotechnological or application of the biotechnology is in the agriculture. The application of the biotechnology in agriculture involve scientific techniques such as genetically modified organism, Bt cotton, pest resistant plant. It help in the modifying plant, animal and microorganism and improve their agriculture productivity. Tissue culture is used in micropropagation, that is the large scale of the propagation of plants within a short duration. So the valuable plants, these are easily and large amount of plantlets or propagules are developed with the help of micropropagation. So the another is the gene therapy. Near about the 5,000 different many genes or genetic disease known to be caused by single gene defects. Some disease like sickle cell anemia, next another is the thalassemia, hemophilia. Such a types of the disease are caused with the help of genetically disorder. So the gene therapy is being used in many ways. For example, replace missing or defective gene, deliver gene that speed the destruction of cancer cell, supply genes that cause cancer cells to revert back to normal cells, deliver bacteria or viral genes as a form of vaccination, deliver gene that stimulate the healing of damaged tissue. So the form of gene therapy. In form of the gene therapy, it is the first is the gene line, that is the germ line gene therapy. In this method, healthy genes can be introduced into germ cell like sperm, egg, early embryo. It allows transmission to the modified genetic information to the next generation. So the another form of the gene therapy is the somatic cell gene therapy. In this method, gene is introduced only in somatic cell like bone marrow cell, hepatic cell, fibroblast, endothelium, pulmonary epithelial cell, central nervous system, endocrine cell, smooth muscle cell of blood vessel wall. So all these part of the cell, the somatic cell are directly introduced in it. The modification of the somatic cell only affect the person being treated, and the modified chromosome cannot be passed on the future generation. Somatic cell gene therapy used for the treatment of cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, blood disorder diseases, etc. So next application of the biotechnology is the genetically modified organism or GMO. So these are living organisms whose genetic material has been artificially manipulated in a laboratory through genetic engineering. This create combination of plant, animal, bacteria and virus gene that do not occur in nature or through traditional crossbreeding methods. Most genetic modified organisms have been engineered to withstand the direct application on to produce an insecticide or herbicides, resistant to browning in apples, increased yield, production of plant for drought tolerance, enhanced nutrition, etc. So first genetic modified organism is the transgenic plant. So in a transgenic plants, before the production of transgenic plant, to improve the quality and productivity of agriculture, important plant with the help of selection and traditional breeding programs. It involved sexual crosses which resulted into high quality of present day food plant like wheat, rice, corn, potato, etc. So in the selective breeding program, that is the high yielding variety and disease resistance variety, these are crossed with the help of sexual method and production of a such types of the plant. But in the biotechnology, approaches have been applied to these plant to create genetically variation that are beneficial to the mankind. The first transgenic plant produced was tobacco. More than 60 transgenic plants and several monocot plants like maize, oat, rice, wheat are known today. So the first, the genetically altered transgenic plant is the tobacco. So next one is the tobacco, soybean, potato, sugarcane, sugar beet, grapes, brinjal, cotton are produced transgenic plants. The transgenic plants are also used for production of drugs like interferon, edible vaccine, antibiotics, amino acid, immunotherapeutic drugs, etc. So all these are produced with the help of transgenic plants or genetic modified plants. So the advantage of the genetic modified food plants, so the genetically modified plants can be help in the production of the first is the insect pest resistance. So in insect pest resistance include, it can be help farmers to reduce use of chemical pesticide, which is a turn can reduce the cost of the production food. Insect resistant plant contain cryogene, which is obtained from the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria. When ingested by bacteria, a combination of high pH and enzyme proteinase of the insect midgut release the core toxic fragments of midgut and insect paralyze and ending with disruption of midgut cell of insect. Bt toxin activity has been against many species of insect within the order of Lepidoptera, Diptera, Coleoptera. The gene of alpha amylase inhibitor has been isolated from adzuki bean, that is the Phaseolus vulgaris, and transmitted to tobacco, and this gene work against the pest like Zabrotis and another like the Calosor. So next is the improvement or advantage of the genetic modified fruit plant is the improvement in nutritional quality. In a previous topic we already studied the biofortification, that is the plant breeding for production of a high nutritional food. So the biotechnology also useful for the production of the nutritional quality of plants, that is the biofortification. The transgenic plant have also been produced to provide functional food and nutritional. The millions of peoples in developing country, rice is the main items in their diet because rice does not contain many essential nutrients. Malnutrition is very common in these countries. The blindness that result from a lack of vitamin A. This vitamin is abundant in milk and in vegetables like carrot, which most of the poor people of the world cannot afford. To solve this problem, Swiss researchers created transgenic rice, that is the golden rice, and transgenic mustard, that is the golden mustard varieties that are high in vitamin A. The golden color is due to vitamin A. The rice grown and eaten in developing country would reduce disease associated with vitamin A deficiency. Improvement in oil content and oily quantity of oil crops like soybean, oil palm, sunflower, etc. have been achieved by transfer of Arabidopsis gene. Next is the iron deficiency in many people also cure with the help of transmission of the gene with the help of RNA technology, that is the ferritin is found in many animal, plants and bacteria. The gene from ferritin protein isolated from soybean and Phaseolus have been transferred to rice and produced iron rich food. So next point is the modification in post harvesting characters. So that is the in a modification in the post harvesting character, that is the disease and pest, bruising of soft fruit and vegetable, heat and cold storage, over ripeness, loss of flavors and odors, etc., lead to great deals of losses during storage and transport of crop. Most of these physiological change can due to endogenous enzyme activity. Genetic engineering has made it possible to slow down this activity. For example, in the tomato, the enzyme polygalacturonase break down the cell wall constituent pectin. The pectin is degradable with the help of enzyme polygalacturonase, so leading to softening and fruit during ripening process. Thus, the fruit are easily bruised and damaged. By inhibiting the polygalacturonase by antisense gene, the tomato, that is the flavor saver tomato, can remain on the mature and be transported in a firm solid state. So next one is the plants are factories to produce novel biochemical and vaccines, that is the biopharmaceuticals. Plants are potential factories or bioreactors for high value biochemical like starch, sugar, lipid, protein, and product like fine chemical, perfumes, etc. Pharmaceuticals are protein, hormones, antibiotic, vaccine, or enzyme isolated from transgenic plants. For example, human growth hormone, which with the gene inserted into the chloroplast DNA of tobacco plants. Humanized antibodies against such as infectious agents like HIV, respiratory syncytial viruses, etc. So next one is the transgenic plant produced edible vaccine. So that is the genetically altered plant can provide protection to infectious diseases. Plant product acting as vaccines would be inexpensive to produce and such a can easily made available in developing country. Potatoes, tomatoes, banana, soybean, alfalfa and cereal crops are most common food proposed for edible vaccine delivery. So thank you. So the application of the biotechnology in various way.